Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a clear, straightforward way to connect your Squarespace commerce store to Mailchimp, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to integrate Mailchimp with your Squarespace site so you can start nurturing those customer relationships and send out powerful email campaigns with ease. Let's dive straight into the process and I'll walk you through every click. First up, you'll want to head over to your Mailchimp account. If you don't already have one open, just pop over to Mailchimp.com and log in with your usual credentials. This is where all the magic happens for email marketing, so think of it as your command center for communicating with your customers. Once you're logged in, look for the integrations section. Depending on the Mailchimp dashboard layout, you might find this in the main navigation menu or perhaps under your account settings. Take a moment to find it. This is essentially the hub where Mailchimp connects and talks to other platforms, like Squarespace Commerce in this case. Integrations are key because they allow Mailchimp to automatically pull in info like orders, subscribers, and website activity, without you needing to lift a finger once it's set up. Inside the integrations area, you're going to see a big list of platforms you can pair with Mailchimp. Find Squarespace Commerce in that list. If you don't spot it right away, don't stress. You can usually use a search bar or scroll down a bit further, it'll be there. Next, you're going to click on the Manage button. This is sort of like telling Mailchimp, I'm ready to control and adjust this particular connection. Once you click Manage, you'll see more detailed options appear, often with settings and info about the integration. Now here, the key step, scroll down to the bottom of that section and look for the option that says Connect to Squarespace Commerce. This is the bridge between the two platforms. So give that button a click and be patient for a second. You'll now be redirected away from Mailchimp and over to the Squarespace website. At this point, if you already have a Squarespace Commerce website, you'll just log into your Squarespace account. But if you don't have one yet, don't worry, Squarespace will prompt you to create a website. It's pretty straightforward, just follow the instructions to get your site set up. The reason this step matters is because Mailchimp needs permission to access your store data, like customer email addresses and order info, so you can sync it all up automatically. Once you're logged in or have your site created, Squarespace and Mailchimp will do the heavy lifting in the background. The sync process might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of products or customer data. You'll usually see a confirmation message letting you know the connection is successful, and from there, your Squarespace Commerce data can flow right into Mailchimp, ready for targeted email campaigns, automations, and more. And that's really it, you've connected Squarespace Commerce to Mailchimp. This simple integration unlocks a whole new level of email marketing potential for your store. If this walkthrough was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Got questions or ran into any issues along the way? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.